My youth, you know, see you now win, dog.
Me I go win.
2-0! Bam! 2-0! You worthless dog. My youth, you didn't even learn. You go like you get worked it and worthless the more we play.
Controller now work at that.
My youth, you're wicked every time we win there say controller broke. My youth,
This one charge.
leave it for something else, dog.
You're not even charge controller than my you.
My youth, me charge that more, that better than this, that new. Watch out, easy. Finish. They can't stop me!
My youth. Yo, me think my controller not work, you know. You always give me mash up on my youth.
Every time you come talk about something wrong with the controller, mate. Every time you score.
See there? You can't be kick your ball straight.
Business where you want.
Half time.
You're not good, dog. That's all your man entire. The whole of my dead, dog.
I'm kind of hungry, dog. You don't have nothing enough to eat.
My youth, you come over here to play a game or you come over here to eat. You're going to tell me about hungry and food, dog.
So me see all these posts for Instagram about food.
My youth, you're going to talk about food. That's something I try sub on them people, dog.
Tell me that.
You see, I Ronaldo me I try put on you and you have to do it. Yo, you know, see me play a game, you just walk right past the TV.
I don't care.
That's why your head so big.
How would that?
Mate, I'm my sister, dog. She a 9, you see?
Me never know you have sister.
She adopted.
Me know I know.
Alright.
Does your friend know you don't have a girlfriend?
I lie. Me have a girl, dog. You know, say she just a tell lies.
So we always tell me say they pay phone.
Mate, I lie, she a tell. Your boyfriend know say you have beard?
Does your friend know you cry while it's raining?
I don't have a problem there too. Dog, sometimes it just rain and you see zinc house.
Oh God.
When it rain on zinc house, yeah, me like that, dog. Sometimes I listen it for sleep.
Oh God.
It calming, it's soothing, dog, it's soothing. Man, you don't listen to her, dog. Chuck. Why you listen to her, dog? Yo, my phone ring, hold on. Hello? Yo, me I go for my charger and come back, yeah?
Alright, cool. Let me charge her and then come back.
Alright.
Hey,
Oh, hi, you close.
what's your name?
And shoot, I'm Chabas. What happened to you?
Troubles. You smell like turtle sex.
Oh yeah, you know people tell me that a lot. I smell like, what me smell like?
Oh my god, I just want
Yeah, they want lotion.
lick your elbows.
Huh? No, they want lotion, they call it my elbow. What you talk
Do you know what
about?
this is?
Condom. Yeah, me know what condom.
What do you think?
No, your brother upstairs. Me and your brother are friend.
You a bitch?
No, not really, but you can't fuck me as I need help. Why you want to do that? Oh my God.
Are you a bitch?
No. Last time one girl did give me should I take it.
Put it on!
You're right. I'm going to get it. Come on, take it. Go this work again.
Yo!
Wait.
I wanna do! Oh, wait. No, wait. I know what you think.
What kind of friends do you have?
I'm a good friend. What you tell him on, bro? God.
He tried to rape me!
Yo, what you think? Come on, don't worry. When I share this for me, I never use condom.